Hey, Joanna, we got to the park in
Oh,
time.
yeah. This is so green. I love it.
Yeah, we should start playing. But wait, did you hear those thunders?
Yeah. It's gonna rain a lot.
Oh no, let's look at the sky.
Oh.
Oh no, what shall we do, Joanna?
Oh, maybe we can walk a little.
But we're gonna get all soaked in water.
But in the midnight, you can walk just a little bit. I love it. I love it to walk here.
Do you think so?
Yeah, look, the sun is up here.
Where? Where? Look at the
sun.
But look at the sky.
Yeah, I'm afraid a little bit.
Oh, so let's go home.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go.